Are you interested in more privacy, security, and protection? Hi, I'm Zach here with Total Window Service here in New York City, and we'll share more about our window film services. Our solar window film blocks harmful UV rays and reduces heat and glare. This helps protect your health, improve your comfort, and reduce fading of floors, furniture, artwork, and even merchandise. Our safety window film provides additional protection from break-ins, hurricane, and blast damage and holds shuttered glass in place. Our window films help to save energy and money, and it protects your windows from scratches or even graffiti. They offer a more polished look and privacy, making them ideal for office spaces. Total Window Service is a Solar Guard certified dealer, and we only use high-quality materials with up to a 15-year warranty. Window films are easy to install, providing little disruption to your home or your business routine. As you can see, window films offer many advantages to our residential and commercial customers. Call us for a free estimate today.